Oh, you guys can go through walls and I can't? That's not fair. I mean, even if you can fly, that's still not fair. Okay, that's it. I'm getting rid of all these, darn it. I'm tired of messing with it. I got tired of messing with them. They were just there. And I was like, I'm having none of this. I want it. Wall chicken! A note was added. 7th note number 1. I'll read that later. Yo, Zeb eating! What you doing? Killed it, I think. Probably. What does this do? Oh wait, that teleports, doesn't it? Oh, well, looky here! Magnus gets what he wants. Perfect birthday present for me. I hope it's something neat. It was! Yay! Okay, so we didn't need any bomby bombs to do that. Okay. Cool. Alright, let's get back up here. And then once we get to the next save spot, we'll probably stop. Oh, you know what? I'd rather save and end early than be stuck, I suppose.
Please, find those
Oh, I guess we have to find all of them first. Okay, fine, lady. We'll find them all. What if there's a save spot anywhere closer? Oh, well, never mind. Oh, hi! I can't believe I blocked that! I was not prepared! Magnus is just that good at this game, gosh darn it! And I remember when I used to juggle everyone into infinity. That was fun. What if I could still do that? What's that, you say? A slime that's not dead? Oh, well, I'll have to fix that. Over here. Where you going? Where you think you going, huh? Where you think you going? Oh no, you ain't running away. You're not running away. I'll play body Jenga with you. Nope, 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 nope. I don't know which one. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. No, no, nope, 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 nope. Doop, doop, doop. Doop, 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 doop. Let's see what other kind of wacky, crazy stuff we'll get into. Dead. Dead too. Pretty sure. Whoa, that's kind of weird. Why is there a rose there? Ha! I blocked you and you hit me! Delightful.